So, ilalagay natin yung grated cucumber, carrots, with mayo, crab sticks sa ibabaw. Okay, so this is how we do sushi bake. Yan.
Tapos cheese, di ba?
Yeah. Make sure that it is properly distributed so that it will become appealing. Yan.
It will become what?
Ayan. So, still have lots of ayan, sayang. So, we need to put everything. We need to put everything here before we cook in the oven.
Yung mango kaya lalagay.
Later, after this, then we are going to garnish it with mango and cheese. Pero wait now, there's more. Okay, we bake sushi kasi nagsasawa na sa rice. So,
Rice nga rin yan eh.
oo, in a different, in Japanese way. Actually, this is a Japanese menu. We just adapted it and we found it very delicious. No? Aside from delicious, it's nutritious. Why? Because of the vegetables that we...
So, nauso yan during the start of the pandemic, di ba? Yung mga quarantines kasi, people have nothing to do. So, nag-experiment sila. And naging parang business opportunity yan, di ba?
Yeah. Actually, this is very expensive when we try to...
So, gumamit ka rin ng, ano tawag dito?
It's actually a vinegar.
Rice vinegar ba?
Yeah, no, it's apple vinegar.
Apple vinegar.
We bought it in Korean store.
So, ano ingredients niyan so far?
Ayan,
So, merong
we are going to
crab
garnish
sticks, cucumber, carrots,
mayo.
and then sa ilalim yung rice, no?
Yeah, rice. Rice.
Japanese rice?
Yeah,
ba?
it's Japanese rice, and
And
mix it
now
with,
that's mango.
yeah, I mix it with
Ripe mangoes.
I mixed it with apple vinegar, sugar, and salt. The rice, I mean. The rice. Okay, and then I will put also cheese later. So, this is how we garnish it with mango. So
Toppings yan.
yeah. Hindi, yeah, with toppings pala. Yan. Not garnishing. Yeah. And then here.
So, ilang mango lahat yan?
No, this is actually only 1.5. 1.5 ba? Or no, 2.5 mangoes.
So, dalawat kalahating pirasong mangga.
Yeah. Mango makes the sushi bake more delicious, appealing, no? Kasi it's because of its sweeter taste. Man.
Parang kulang. Okay na?
It's okay. Let's just get the cheese.
So, ito yung cheese boy, shredded processed mozzarella and cheddar. Then, Emborg pasta cheese. Ang pasta to. Pwede rin dito yan. So, Ano yan, tatlong klaseng cheese.
Yeah. I bought this at SM Megamart.
Hindi ah,
Ay, saan ba yun?
pure gold.
Sa Pure Gold pala.
Naliligaw pa.
Kasi I usually buy this.
So, available siya sa mga malls like yung sa grocery ng SM and also sa Pure Gold.
Ubusin na natin.
Ano difference mo yan? Parang same brand. Same pa rin yan. Kasi yung
Ubusin na
mozzarella,
natin. Yun yung pampakapit. Mozzarella is for pizza.
so hinaluan natin ng mozzarella din.
Para pizza. Pwede naman hindi ubusin ito. Ano na to eh? Parang, dumikit-dikit na siya. Actually, ang mozzarella, walang lasa. Ang ano lang niya is to pandikit para magkaroon siya ng parang firm. Maging firm ang texture niya. Yung, para pag kinuha mo,
Para attractive din tignan.
sasama-sama siya.
Yung ginagawa na sa pizza para attractive tignan.
Pampa-attractive din. So, nawala na yung pero syempre, hindi na ako nagguantes kasi sinabon ko naman maigi ang kamay ko.
Dagdag sa sarap yung lasa ng kamay mo.
Mahirap kasing nandiyan pag nagguantes ka.
Basta maghugas na maigi bago humahak ng pagkain. So, yun yung ginamit natin kahapon sa baked potato.
Baked potato naman yan. Yesterday, we had baked potato. Ngayon naman.
So, nahihilig ka mag-bake niya. So, alam naman lahat na until now, quarantine pa rin tayo. Never-ending quarantine.
Okay, so iluluto natin. We are going to bake it at 40 minutes. At 40 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius.
180 degrees Celsius
ba? Or 250? I will check ulit. Nakalimutan ko eh.
Si Kyle yata nakakaalam eh. I-google mo ulit.
Kalimutan ko.
Ilang minuto?
40 minutes.
40 minutes for how many, ano yung temperature?
180 or 250 degrees Celsius. Yan. So, ready for baking.